Hello guys, let's take one more theorem, circle through three non-collinear points. This theorem says there is one and only one circle will be passing through three non-collinear points. You can see here I have taken three non-collinear points A, B, C and A dash, B dash, C. When you join all these 3 points, you can see here that you are getting a triangle. And again, in the case of A dash, B dash, C, you are getting a triangle. That's why there are 3 non-collinear points. When you join 3 non-collinear points, you will always get a triangle. And when you try to join all these 3 points through a circle or through an arc, you will get a circle. And there will be only one circle which will be circumscribing this triangle, which is known as circumcircle. Which is known as circumcircle for this triangle ABC and A dash, B dash, C. So again, it has been proved from this figure that there will be one and only one circle which will be passing through these 3 non-collinear points. I will be taking problems based on this theorem in the next video lecture. Thank you.